I'm going to demonstrate a dead reckoning, so I'm going to do exercise 9B number 1A. First of all, I want to fix my view so that I don't see my axes or that sidebar. I insert an image and I want it to start down there. And it's 9B, it's number 1. Alright, the question says originally anchored at 24 degrees 46 degrees south, so I want to show that first of all, so I'm going to draw a line between 27 degrees and 46 minutes south, and the other one is 150 degrees 20 minutes east, so I'm going to put my other point on that line. Right, so B is my point of starting. Now I need to sail at 243 degrees true from that point, so I'll add another point north of it. I'll draw an interval between those 2 points, between C and B, and I'll put in an angle with a given size. I want to head at an angle of 243 degrees in a clockwise direction, so that's true, and I'll draw a line through B and C. Now I'm going to head for 2 hours at 5 knots, so using my speed equals distance over time, so distance equals speed times time, so that's 10 nautical miles, which is the equivalent of 10 minutes. So basically I can tell the distance that I want to go is a distance which is equivalent in length to that line there. So I will create a line segment which is just that length. Actually, I needn't have clicked that again then. Alright, now I'm going to pick up that line. Sorry. Okay, if you end up doing that, just undo it. Right, I forgot to click that, which enables me to drag the selected object, so I can move that down to B there. Now, I want to swing E around so that it's lying along the line at which it's sailing. So I want to rotate it about a fixed point. So I click the line that I want to rotate, then I go up to this one. Instead of moving it, I want to rotate it about a point, and then I tell it what point I want to rotate it. And now if I swing E around, see how I can't make it go bigger or smaller, it's staying the same length. Okay, so if I sail for 10 nautical miles, I'll end up there. Now I want to have another heading of 267 degrees true. So once again, I'll put a point which is north of that, connect it using that line segment. It's a bit wonky, so I will just move F until I'm happier with it. That's better. Now I want to insert an angle which is 267 degrees true. And draw a line through those 2 points. And I want to sail for 3 hours at 3.5 knots, which is the equivalent of 11.5 nautical miles. So again, I'll come over here and I'll draw a line which is 11.5 long, 11.5 minutes long, which is equivalent to 11.5 nautical miles. And I'll move that line